friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Planning to move to Europe in 2026 but confused about which Schengen country is best for you? High salaries, PR benefits, easier work permits and family benefits. Today I'm going to break down 5 easiest Schengen countries to migrate to in 2026 based on real immigration trends. So number 5 on our list is Poland. Why Poland in 2026? Massive demands for IT professionals, factory workers, drivers, warehouse staff and engineers. One of the fastest work permit processing times in the Schengen zone. Low cost of living compared to Western Europe. Now let's talk about the residence benefits. Temporary residence leads to long-term EU residence, which leads to PR. Family reunification is allowed. Easy mobility across Schengen after residence. Poland is ideal for those who want quick entry to the Schengen zone with a long-term PR potential. Number 4 on our list is Portugal. So why Portugal? Friendly immigration laws, strong demand in hospitality, healthcare, construction and IT. English is widely spoken. Big advantage, PR in 5 years, citizenship possible after 5 years of legal stay, excellent healthcare and quality of life. Portugal is perfect for those who want a peaceful life and a clear pathway to PR. Number 3 on our list is Spain. Why Spain? High demand for agriculture, hospitality, logistics, caregivers and technical roles. Digital nomad and work permit options expanding. Strong social security benefits. Lifestyle bonus. Warm climate, affordable housing outside major cities, family-friendly culture. Spain is ideal if you want work-life balance with legal settlement solutions. Now number 2 on our list is Germany. Why Germany? Severe labor shortage across engineering, IT, healthcare, skilled trades and logistics. Opportunity card, Chancenkarte and skilled worker visa reforms. High salaries and strong worker protection. Settlement path. PR in as little as 3 to 5 years. One of the strongest passports in the world. Germany is best for high-skilled professionals and long-term planners. Now number 1 on our list is Czech Republic. So why is Czech Republic number 1 on our list? Extremely high demand for manufacturing workers, technicians, IT specialists and drivers. Faster work permit processing compared to Western Europe. Lower cost of living with EU level salaries. Key benefits, stable economy, family reunification allowed, strong pathway to long-term EU residence. Czech Republic offers the best balance of job availability and residence stability in 2026. So friends, this brings us to the end of our brief and informative video about top 5 countries in the Schengen zone where you could migrate in 2026. I hope you liked the video. If you got value out of this video, then please like, comment and share the video, and for more information log on to our website. We'll mention the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ashutosh Jha signing off. Until next time.